Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the text size settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Accessibility button at the left side of the screen to show the accessibility settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Text Size button to the right to show the text size settings at the right side of the Settings app window. A preview of the current text size appears in the Text Size preview at the top of the Text Size settings page. This text size is applied to most of your device's text. To change the text size in Windows 11, click and drag the Text Size Settings slider to the desired level. Then click the adjacent Apply button. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.